Okay guys, so I already did like one eye off camera, just so I knew exactly what I was doing before I came to you guys. So what you see me do now is I just put like a foundation base on, and I just set it with Sacha buttercup powder. So I'm gonna be going in with the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm gonna take like the darkest purple shade, and I'm just gonna make like, I'm gonna pack it on my eyelid basically, and just cut out like my eyelid. So put the purple shade all over your actual eyelid. And I know it's weird start with the darker shade, but it's gonna make sense in a second. So once I've packed the darker shade on, I'm gonna go in with like, it's a dark purple but it's more vibrant, and I'm gonna put that on top of it and then slowly start to like blend out the line. So once that's blended out, go in with I think I went in with the black colour now. So I went in with the darker shade, and then I started to define my crease a lot more. So to cut out my crease, I used LA Girl Pro Concealer. This was like so hard. This was the hardest bit, but remember that this video is sped up, okay? So just take your time, and all you want to do is just cut out your crease, well, cut out your eyelid again, just a little bit underneath. So because I have small eyes as well, I have to kind of fake where my eyelid is. So I go like a tiny little bit above my eyelid, just so that when I look up, it doesn't transfer. So I just set that with like a white eyeshadow, and then I'm gonna go in with my my NYX glitter adhesive and just put that all on top of the eyelid. And make sure it's evenly spread out. It is quite thick, so you do want to be careful. So then I got this glitter from, I don't even know, but it's a gold glitter. You could really get this anywhere. Just all you need is a gold glitter, and it gets a bit messy, I realise. So just pack it on like as slowly as you can. Just take your time. You just want to pack it on until it just looks prominent. So once you've got it all on, go back in with that darker shade, and then just kind of make the crease a bit more defined. I messed up this eye, to be honest. I messed up that eye. So what I did was I just went and put eyelashes on. These lashes are from Neon Cosmetics. They're in the style Nala. So I just put some eyelashes on, and then I just lined my eye. Nothing fancy, because I can't do fancy eyeliner, to be honest. And then I'm just doing my normal foundation routine. Really nothing changed. I just go in with Nars Macao, and then I just define my eyebrows and put that all over my face and blend it out. This is literally the same like contour and highlight routine that I always do. I'm going to go in next with Toffee. I'm going to put that under my eyes. I'm gonna let you guys watch, just watch how I do my makeup. I'm not gonna explain this bit, because it's quite, like, if you want a detailed highlight and contour routine, I can definitely do that for you guys. This video was mainly just for like the eyes, to be honest, because I got small eyes and I want to show you guys how, you know, if you've got small eyes, you can still slay for prom. And it's super easy because I'm not a makeup artist, and I find it quite, you know, difficult at times. So just take your time, and hopefully your prom looks come out bomb. All the links to the products will be in the description box. And thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Ooh, okay, so this is the finished look. I changed my hair into a, you gonna want to have to shut your mouth now, I'm trying to record. Changed my hair into a middle part in, because I think a middle part was just like a bit cuter. I'm like, it's a neat parting, but I'm going for like a messy look. Obviously your hair for prom, you might not want it like this frizzy, you might want it a bit sleeker. But I know some girls that they like their hair bushy. I had to do my own makeup for prom, so I thought, let me like show you guys how to easily do your makeup for prom. Obviously, like in the UK, I don't think prom is as big of a deal as in the US. Look, I realized I always use the same colors. Like, I'm gonna stop that. I'm gonna, maybe next time I'm gonna try like a brown makeup look, because I always use the same kind of colors and it's getting old. It's getting pretty old. But this is a gold eyeshadow. I mean gold glitter. So yeah, this is what it looked like. And these lashes, the lashes are from Nyan Cosmetics. These lashes are so nice. Like, they come in this packaging. The girl who owns the company, she's a fellow YouTuber as well. Shout out to Nars. This is the loose wave hair. Oh, it's so pretty. This curl is too pretty. I would say like this will be nice for prom. If you wanted to like flatten it a bit more at the top and have more of a uniform wave, this would be so pink for prom. Like, you'd walk in, they'll be like, yep. The links to this hair will be in my description box as well. First impressions, I really loved the hair. It's not dry or anything. As you can see, the curls are still defined. All I did was define it with water. That was it. I just put water in the hair. I don't put product in my curly hair just because it just gets a bit too much. What I also have to say about this hair, I made this wig, so it's not a pre-made wig, it's a wig that I made myself. So I think the longest inches is 24, and the 24 comes quite long, like comes down to my back, so it's really nice. I'm not the best makeup artist, guys. Like, I can do my base really well, but eyeshadow is not my strength, so don't come for me if I didn't blend it right. But this is kind of cute, you get the gist. All the products will be linked in the description box. I'm not sure where I got the glitter from. I bought them like 2 years ago and there's no name on the packaging, but I know that you can get glitters from NYX, so definitely check out NYX for some glitters, guys. And yeah, I hope you guys slay your prom look, and I'll see you later.